Today we are going to discuss some questions regarding miscellaneous, and in previous video we have solved some questions regarding miscellaneous of matrices also, but further we are going to solve some more questions regarding miscellaneous exercise. So today's video is going to be very interesting, so please watch this video carefully and please note all the questions and solve yourself also. So today we are going to solve first question number 13, that is if A equal 4 to 1 3 4 to 1 3 and B equal minus 2 1 3 2 and 3a minus 2b plus c equal 0, then determine matrix C. So students, this is your question, and how to solve this question? This is question number C, question number 13, and we have to solve this question. So this question is going to be very interesting because we have just put the value of A and B and we have to get the value of C. So when we are going to find the value of C, so it is minus C equal 2b minus 3a. Just find the value of C. So C equal 2b, take it other side, so it is negative, so that side it is positive, so it is 2b minus 3a. This is the value of C, and C equal 2. The value of B is minus 2 1 3 and 2, and this is a minus 3, and the value of A is 4 2 1 3. So C equal, it is multiplied by 2, so it is a minus 4, it is a 2, it is 2, it is 6, and it is 4. So this is a scalar multiplication, students. This is a scalar multiplication of matrix. So 2 multiplied by it is minus 4, it is a 2, it is a 6, it is a 4, and it is a positive sign, and just multiply by minus 3, so it is a minus 12, it is minus 6, it is minus 3, and it is minus 9, students. So when we have to find the value of C, so minus 4 minus 12, it is minus 16, 4 minus 6, it is minus 4, it is 6 minus 3, it is 3, and 4 minus 9, it is minus 5. So students, this is the value of C, and it is your answer also. So construct a matrix B equal Bij equal I plus 2j to the power 2 upon 2 I plus 2j whole square upon 2. Construct a matrix B. Construct a matrix B where Bij and order is 2 cross 3. It is given that it is order of this question is 2 cross 3. Okay, so this is question, students. Construct some matrix Bij I plus 2j whole square upon 2 and order is 2 cross 3. First we create a matrix that is a 2 cross 3 order. So 2 cross 3 means, when we are saying about the 2 cross 3, 2 is the row and 3 is the column. So 2 is the row and 3 is the column. So we create a matrix that is A11. We can write here B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23. It is a question that is having 1, 2 rows, 1, 2, 3, 3 columns, 2 rows and 3 columns. So if it is a question, so we can say that B11 means 1 plus 2 into 1. First we have to find the value one by one. After it we solve. Okay, so B11 equal 1 plus 2 into 1 to the power 2 upon 2. So it is a 2 plus 1, it is 3. 3 square means 9 by 2. What about the B12? When we are saying about the B12, it is 1 plus 2 into 2 upon 2 and it is whole square. So it is 4 plus 1, it is 25 by 2. What about the B13 students? When we are saying about the B13, so it is 1 into 2 into 3 to the power 2 upon 2. So it is 6 plus 1, 7. 7 means 49 upon 2. What about the B21? When we are saying about the B21, so it is 2 plus 2 into 1 to the power 2 upon 2. So it is 2 and 2, it is 4, means 16 by 2, it is 8. Now what is the B22? When we are saying about the 22, so it is 2 plus 2 into 2 to the power 2 upon 2. So it is 2 plus 4, it is 6 square upon 2. So it is 36 by 2, yani means 18. B23, when we are saying about B23, so it is 2 plus 2 into 3 to the power 2 upon 2. So it is 64 by 2. So it is 32. So students, these are the values. So it is 9 by 2, 9 by 2, 25 by 2, it is a 49 by 2, next one is a 8, 18, and it is 32. And students, this is your answer. So this is question number 14. If A equal -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, 2, 3, and it is -2, and the value of B is, and B equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 2, 0 minus 1 and 2, 0, 5, 7, 0, 5, 7, and C equal -1, 0, 1. This is the value of A and B and C. Then find the element of first row. Then find the element of first row of ABC, means ABC. So students, this is a question. This is a question number 15. And what about the question number 15? It is given that A equal -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, -2, and B equal 1, 0, 0, 0, -1, 2, 0, 5, 7, and the value of C is -1, 0, 1. Then find the element of first row of ABC. So first we have to find the value of ABC, then we decide what about the ABC. So when we are saying about the ABC, so we have to multiply AB by C. So this is a solution area, AB and multiply by C. What is the A? A means it is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and it is -2, and it is multiplied by 1, 0, 0, 0, -1, 2, 0, 5, and it is 7. And it is just multiplied by, it is -1, 0, and 1. So if it is a question and this is a question, we have to find the value of ABC. So it is not difficult to find, but we have to construct question very well. What about the ABC? When we are saying about the ABC, minus 1 multiplied by 1, it is minus 1. 0 multiplied by 0, so it is 0. 1 multiplied by 0, it is 0. Okay? Minus 1 multiplied by 0, it is 0. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, it is 0. 1 multiplied by 5, it is 5. Minus 1 multiplied by 0, it is 0. 0 multiplied by 2, it is 0. 1 multiplied by 7, it is 7. Next one is 2 multiplied by 1, it is 2. 3 multiplied by 0, it is 0. 2 minus 2 multiplied by 0, it is 0. 2 multiplied by 0, it is 0. 3 multiplied by minus 1, minus 3. Minus 2 multiplied by, it is minus 10. Okay, 2 multiplied by 0, it is 0. 3 multiplied by 2 means it is 6. And minus 2 multiplied by 7 means minus 14. What about, and the value of C is minus 1, 0, 1, it is same way. We are on the process to solve this question. It is minus 1, it is 5, it is 7, it is 7, it is minus 13, and it is minus 8, multiplied by minus 1, 0, 1, minus 10. So students, what about the first row? First row of ABC is 8 and it is your answer. So your answer is 8 and first row, this is the first row, so it is your answer. Now we are on question number 16. What about the question number 16? Cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, and it is cos theta. Then find A multiplied by A transpose. A into A transpose. We have to find, students, this is a question. If A equal cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, then find A multiplied by A transpose. So this is your question. Now we are going to solve this question. So what is the question and what is the solution? When we are saying about the solution, we can say that A is given, that is cos theta sin theta minus sin theta, and it is cos theta, and A transpose equal to, just convert rows to column, column to row, so it is cos theta and it is sin theta, it is minus sin theta and it is cos theta. So when we are saying about the A multiplied by A transpose, we can say that cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, and it is multiplied by cos theta minus sin theta, and it is sin theta and it is cos theta. So when we are just going to multiply rows to columns, so we can say that it is cos square theta plus it is sin square theta, and it is minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. Next one is a minus sin theta cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta. Next one is a sin square theta plus cos square theta. What about it? It is a 1, it is 0, and it is 0, and it is 1. So it is I2, students, this is I2. So 1 0 0 1, it is the identity matrix of 2 cross 2, so we can say that it is I2 means 1 0 0 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 3 to 5, 3 2 5, and it here it is 1 2 3 equal 0, then find x. Then find x. If 1 x1 it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 2 5, 1 2 3 is 0, then find x. So student, this is a very interesting question, and this type of questions always comes in board classes, so it is very important regarding board classes. So you have to solve this question yourself 2 or 3 times. Okay, so now we are going to solve. First we write the question. So what is the solution? We are on solution corner. So first we write 1 x1 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 2 5 and 8. Here it is 1 2 3 and it is 0. Now we are going to solve this question. So when we are just multiplying them, so it is 1 multiply 1 1, it is 4x, 1 plus 4x plus 3, 1 plus 4x plus 3, it is 2 plus 5x plus 2, 2 plus 5x plus 2, and it is 1x1. Okay. It is 3 plus 6x plus 5 multiply by 1 2 3 equal 0. So it is 4x plus 4, it is 5x plus 4, it is 6x plus 15, 6x plus 8. It is 1 2 3 equal 0. So students, we have to multiply again. So 4x plus 4 multiply by 1 plus 2 multiply by 5x plus 4 and 3 multiply by 6x plus 8 equal 0. So it is 4x plus 4, it is 10x plus 8, it is 18x plus 24 equal 0. Now it is a 4x, 10x, 18 plus 10, it is a 28 and it is 4. So it is 32 x. 4 plus 8 12 and it is 24, so it is 36 equal 0. What about x? 32x equal minus 36, so the value of x is minus 36 upon 32. So it is 9 times and it is 8 times. So x equal minus 9 by 8 is the answer, students. So this is a very nice question, question number 17. Now, well, A, B, C, D, then prove that what we have to prove? We have to prove B square minus AD, B square minus A plus D multiply by B equal BC minus AD into I2, where I2 equal 1 0 0 1 is given. So student, this is a question: b square minus a plus d multiplied by b equal bc minus ad multiplied by ad, and abcd is the value of b. Now we are going to solve this question. Before it, we have to watch this question very carefully. Why? Because it is a very nice and beautiful question. So we are going to solve this question. This is question number 18. Now question arises: what is the b square? B square means b multiplied by b, bb. So it is bb. So what is the b? B is a b c d. What about the b? It is same, that is a b c d. What about the multiplication? When we are saying about the multiplication, we know very well that a multiplied by a, it is a square plus it is bc. Okay, it is ab and it is a bd. Next one, it is ac and it is dc. This is ac and it is a dc. And what about the this? This is a bc minus bc plus it is d square. Now we are on process to solve LHS. This is the left hand side, and what is the left hand side? Left hand side is it is a b square minus a plus d is in bracket and multiplied by b is your LHS, and we are going to solve LHS. What is b square? B square is a square plus bc rc plus dc. This is a ab plus it is a bd, and it is a bc plus d square minus what about the a plus d? A plus d is a constant, so it is a plus d, and we have to multiply by ABCD. It is a B C D. Now we are going to multiplication. It is a square plus BC. It is a AB plus BD, and it is a AC plus DC. It is the same. We are on the same process at here, and it is plus, it is minus, and it is a square plus AD. A square plus AD, a plus d multiplied by b, it is AB plus BD. What about this? This is a AC plus DC. What about this? This is a AD plus d square. Now we have to subtract to each other. So it is a square plus BC minus a square plus AD. So a square is cancelled by a square, remaining part is BC minus AD. So it is BC minus AD. Now this is AB plus BD, and this is also AB plus BD. So AB plus BD is cancelled by AB plus BD because there is a minus, so we can say that it is 0. Okay guys, this is AC plus DC, and this is also AC plus DC. They are same, and there is a negative sign, so we can say that this is cancelled. So it is 0. BC plus d square is cancelled by d square, so BC minus AD is there. So we can say that it is BC minus AD. What about now? BC minus AD is both places, and here is the 0, so we can say that BC minus AD is a common area. So it is a 1, 0, 0, 1. What about it? It is a BC minus AD, and it is I2. So we can say that this is RHS. So we can say that LHS is equal to LHS equal RHS. Hence prove Hindustan Petroleum. So we have proved that B square minus A plus D be equal to BC minus AD I2. This is the RHS part. So we can say that it is LHS equal RHS. So we have proved question number 18. This is a very nice question. Now we are on question number 19. What about the question number 19? Okay students, we are on question number 19. So question number 19 is if A equal 1001 and B equal 01 minus 10, then find the matrix from the following. Then find the following matrix. What is the following? Following matrix is AA plus BB, AA plus BB multiplied by AA minus BB, AA plus BB and AA minus BB. We are not going to use formula A plus B, A minus B. We are solving as it is. That's way question is given. So we are not using A plus B, A minus B formula. We are just going to solve as it is, as question is given. Okay, so we are going to solve. This is solution area. So AA plus BB and it is AA minus BB. Now AA and AA means A multiplied by A means A means 1 0 0 1 plus B and the value B is 0 1 minus 1 0. We are using a big bracket. It is the same A 1 0 0 1 plus B, it is a minus, it is minus B and it is 0 1 minus 1 1. It is A plus 0 0 A plus 0 B minus B 0. Now multiply by A 0 0 A and it is plus and it is 0 minus B plus B minus B. What is the value of B? B is 0 1, it is 0 0 1 minus 1 0. So it is A plus 0 means A, this is B, it is 0, it is minus B, A plus 0 it is A, 0 plus B it is B, 0 minus B it is minus B, A plus B it is B, A, multiply by it is A, it is minus B, it is a B and it is A. What about this? This is A square plus B square. This is A square plus B square. This is a AB minus AB plus AB. It is a minus AB plus AB and it is B square plus A square. So what is the answer? So students, we can say that it is A square plus B square is common. So it is 1 0 0 1. So we can say that it is A square plus B square multiplied by 1 0 0 1 is given that it is A. So this is your answer, A square plus B square multiplied by A.